Hello, everybody. Hope you all are doing well. And my name is Kim, and I am sharing a variety of tools to help you get a positive mindset so you can get yourself into a positive reality and achieve what you want to achieve. And each tool, will work for some people. It may not work for others. Sometimes you have to combine tools to get the results that you want. And you got to give each tool time too, because just one time isn't always going to work. There's no quick fixes. So this series is on meditation. So how many of you, when you think of meditation, think of sitting cross-legged with your hands rested on your knees in a certain position, and oh, I gotta quiet those chattering monkeys out of my head. I gotta silence my mind. Oh, I gotta focus on my breathing. So it's like, yeah, no, meditation's not for me. Well, I am one of those. I used to be like that, and until I really started learning about meditation this last year. And I found that there are many ways and methods to meditate, and I got a lot of surprises out of the deal. Because this particular video that I'm going to be doing now is the basics on meditation, and the following videos will be on the different methods. So I'm just going to go over the basics in this one. And meditation is actually more than just sitting still, having a quiet mind, and focusing on your breathing. When you meditate, it puts your focus on the present, not the past. You're not worrying about the future. You're in the here and now. And when you do meditation on a daily basis, you benefit your well-being when you do that, because meditating can help you lower your blood pressure, lower your stress. It can help you reduce anxiety. It can help you decrease pain and symptoms of depression. You can connect better with yourself, your higher power. You can connect better with others. You can connect better with the project you're working on. It can help you to improve your sleep, because the different methods of meditation will help you release all that tension in your body so your body can be relaxed so you can sleep. It'll help quiet your mind so your mind's not chattering all through the night, keeping you awake. So, and it can help you to stay focused and quiets the mind down. And with meditation, it's not the 15 minutes, it's not the half an hour that a lot of people have said in the past to do. You decide the amount of time that you have and you want to meditate. And the thing is, if you say you want to meditate a half an hour, you can break that up throughout the day. You can do 6 5-minute sessions, 10 3-minute sessions, and you can use a timer to help you out, so you don't, if you know you only have a certain amount of time because you got to be somewhere or do something at a certain time, use that timer so you don't get yourself too relaxed and fall asleep, or you lose track of time because you're just so mesmerized in what you're doing. And you can do meditations on your own, or you can use guided meditations, which there are plenty of on the internet. So when you meditate, you want to find a quiet place, and you can relax your body. You can sit, you can lay down, as long as you're relaxed. And you focus on your breathing in and out. And if you have respiratory issues and it's hard for you to breathe in your nose and out your mouth, do what's comfortable for you. Because when I first started learning about this meditating, and they're like, breathe in your nose, exhale out your mouth, I would have coughing spells after I would exhale. I'm like, well, how am I supposed to do this? And then I ran across somebody else that was doing meditations, and they say that You can breathe in your nose and out your nose, but do what's best for you, what's comfortable for you, just as long as you can focus on your breathing. And there are several different methods to meditate, other than the cross-legged with your hands rested on the knees and the quiet mind, which is like, yay, made it more. I was more interested in meditating at that point in time. And the methods are mindfulness, focused, movement, mantra, transcendental, progressive relaxation, loving kindness, visualization, and spiritual. And each one of these I will highlight separately in a separate video. So, and you find a quiet place to sit or lay, like I said earlier, relax, breathe in your nose, exhale, so on and so forth. And a lot of them, you think, oh, my mind wanders all the time. Yeah, that's okay. Let it. It's no problem with it. Because if you notice your mind wandering, it's okay. Just acknowledge what's going through your mind, let it go, and then refocus back on the meditation. Kind of like you're working on a project or doing something in the kitchen, and a toddler comes up and is pulling on your pant leg. They want your attention, or they want something to drink or something to eat. You tend to them. You tend to them, set them to one side, and you go back to doing that project. That's basically what you do. And after a while, that mind wandering will eventually go away. It won't be near as bad. And the plus side, with some of these methods, you are allowed to have those thoughts go through, because those thoughts are part of the meditation. But yeah, those chattering monkeys in your head can be annoying when you're trying to quiet the mind. So, like I said, this is the first video. This was just the basics and the different types of meditations, and each type will have its own video. So look for those, and if you have any other ideas or questions, feel free to comment, contact me, and I would be more than glad to answer your question or go over a different tool for a positive mindset. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and feel free to hit the like button at the bottom. So you all have a great time and enjoy meditating.